Welcome back to the Robbins LLP podcast. Today we're discussing new allegations involving Aardvark Therapeutics, ticker AARD. A securities class action has been filed on behalf of investors who purchased Aardvark common stock in the February 13, 2025 initial public offering, and investors who purchased Aardvark securities between February 13, 2025 and May 14, 2026. Aardvark is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company developing small molecule therapies for metabolic diseases, including Prader Willi Syndrome.
According to the complaint, Aardvark misled investors about the viability and efficacy of its lead drug candidate, ARD-101. Plaintiff alleges that ARD-101 is described as a gut-restricted small molecule agonist targeting certain TAS2RS in the gut lumen. To evaluate its effect on hyperphagia in Prader Willi Syndrome, Aardvark launched a Phase 3 HERO trial and an open-label extension.
The offering documents for the IPO stated that preclinical data suggests that ARD-101 shows potential to be a well-tolerated, satiety-inducing drug. But the complaint alleges that Aardvark failed to disclose that ARD-101 was less safe than represented, overstating its clinical, regulatory, and commercial prospects. As a result, plaintiff contends that Aardvark's public statements lacked a reasonable basis.
The alleged truth began to emerge on February 27, 2026, when Aardvark announced it was voluntarily pausing the Phase 3 HERO trial. The company attributed the pause to reversible cardiac observations at above-target therapeutic doses found during routine safety monitoring in a healthy volunteer study. Aardvark halted enrollment and dosing while conducting a comprehensive data review.
On this news, Aardvark stock fell $7.02, or 56.2%, closing at $5.47 on March 2nd. Then, on May 14, 2026, Aardvark announced that the FDA had placed a full clinical hold on its investigational new drug application for ARD-101. The hold applied to all ongoing studies, including the Phase 3 HERO trial and the Phase 3 open-label extension. Following this disclosure, Aardvark stock fell $2.16, or 32.1%, closing at $4.57 on May 15th.
Robbins LLP is now investigating whether Aardvark misled investors about ARD-101's safety profile, clinical viability, and regulatory prospects. If you purchased Aardvark shares during the class period or in the IPO, you may be eligible to serve as lead plaintiff, the representative party who helps direct the litigation. Representation is on a contingency fee basis. Shareholders pay no fees or expenses.
That's today's update. Thanks for joining us on the Robbins LLP podcast. Stay informed, and we'll see you next time.